What's up guys, it's Monkey House here, back with another product review. Today we're going to be going over the Little Dipper by Dip Devices. It's going to be a honey nectar collector, electronic. So the Little Dipper dip device is going to be an electronic nectar collector, guys. And basically it's going to be one button for all functions, and it does have the instructions here in the back of the box. Basically just make sure your tip is on, you power it on, and it works by connecting the coil on the very tip. When it makes contact with the concentrate, it actually vaporizes it. So we'll go ahead and open it up and see how it functions. So here's what our device looks like. It's going to be very good for on the go. It is going to have a 600 mAh battery. It has a magnetic lid. Here's going to be our mouthpiece on top. And then here's our button in the very front. So like I said, it's just going to be the one button. It's going to be 5 to turn on. And it is going to tell you that flashing light what battery level it's on. If it's above 70, it'll be green, so you'll know ahead of time how much battery you have. And with the temperature settings, it's 3 times each. It's going to be low, medium, and high. The highest being at 600 degrees and the medium being at 400. But like I said, how it works is this coil here in the front. You just press the button. As you can see, it heats up. And whenever it's fully red, that's when you would make contact with the concentrate. And then you take a very slight drag, like if it was a straw. And it is going to produce bigger clouds depending the temperature, the higher it goes, guys. Like I said, it's going to be real good for on the go, and the only way to make it last longer, you want to clean it after every use. Just going to be with a cotton swab, the ISO alcohol, and then it would just be putting it away, guys. Real good for on the go, compact, easy to go, and it's going to be an upgrade from your regular nectar collector. So alright guys, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and also let us know what other products you want us to go over and review.